and now the numerator goes to numerator plus w times the return following the visit to this state action pair, and therefore this multiplication with w denotes the return multiplied by the inverse of the probability of the sequence. That is, this time t is basically this time t is greater than tau. We are calculating the return following the visit to state action pair s comma a after time tau, and it has occurred at time t which is greater than tau, and rt denotes the return following the visit to this state action pair. Okay, so numerator goes to numerator plus w times r tau rt, and denominator goes to just denominator plus w, and finally qs comma a is ns comma a over ds comma a. Okay, so this is the evaluation step for off policy Monte Carlo control. This is totally different from all the algorithms that we consider in this lecture. And finally, the fourth step is the improvement step. That is, we are still following the idea of GPI. Please note that here we have here again we have eliminated both the assumptions by making our behavior policy epsilon soft. We do not require the assumption of exploring stars, and we are following the concept of value iteration. Therefore, again, we do not require the infinite number of episodes in the evaluation step. We are just using a single episode, and then we are performing this evaluation of our action value function. And this is the improvement step. For each state in this episode, pi s is r max over a q of x comma a. That is, we are making our policy greedy with respect to the action value function, with respect to the evaluated action value function. Okay, this is basically assigning the action that provides a maximum reward for a particular state s. Okay, so this is the Monte Carlo off policy Monte Carlo control algorithm, and here's a step-by-step procedure. Initialization step: initialize qs comma a arbitrarily, pi s comma a arbitrary policy, and s comma a numerator for q, and ds comma, it is not q, it is ds comma a denominator for q. So repeat forever ideally. Select a policy pi dash, that is our behavior policy. Select any behavior policy and generate an episode s0 to st, and let the tau denote the latest time at which action selection by the behavior policy is not in agreement with the action selection according to the estimation policy. And after this time tau, we calculate every state action pair that has occurred, and let t denote the time of first occurrence of state action pair s and a. And now we calculate the weight w, which is multiplication over all k pi dash sk comma ak for t plus 1 to t minus 1. That is, we are finding the probability of sequence after the occurrence of state action pair s and a. And ns comma a goes to ns comma a plus w times rt, where rt is a return following the visit to the state action pair st comma at, and ds comma a goes to ds comma a plus w, and finally qs comma a is n over d. And this is the improvement step. For each state in this episode, we are making it greedy with respect to the action value function. So this is the initialization step, this is generating an episode, this is evaluation step, and improvement step. So we are following GPI, the concept of value, and the concept of value iteration, and we have successfully eliminated the assumption of exploring stars by making the behavior policy epsilon soft. The policy pi dash is an epsilon soft policy. So this was all about Monte Carlo methods. Thank you for watching this lecture, and please do not forget to watch the second presentation in Pathplanning channel, which will be coming soon. Expected date is 4th to 9th of March. Oh sorry, 5th to 9th of March. And this presentation will not directly provide the use of Monte Carlo methods, but it will provide an overview of the algorithm present in the first part of this lecture. And finally, after a few more presentations, few more presentations in Pathline channel, I will make a presentation on autonomous navigation using the Monte Carlo methods. Whenever it comes, it will be mentioned in the news channel of the website. Thank you for watching this lecture. I am Sanjeev from searchingai.com.